The founder of this website says the inspiration for it came from the insider trading scandal that surfaced on Capitol Hill during the early days of the pandemic. North Carolina Senator Richard Burr was among those suspected of insider trading, later cleared by the Justice Department, now under investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The website Congress Trading gives its customers the latest information on what stocks members of Congress are buying. Using public information, the site makes it easier to navigate transactions and provides a forum to discuss those trades. Questions like, did Richard Burr have inside dope on the pandemic, allowing him to dump more than $1 million in stock on February 13th of 2020?
So we're looking for connections like that that would signal that this investment is worthy of replication.
The founder of CongressTrading.com asked that we not reveal his identity. He says he doesn't want any problems with members of Congress, doesn't want any trouble from his day job. He says there are two inherent problems with Congress playing the stock market. One, they have insider information that comes with the job.
And then the other one is they influence laws, which can help to shape their investment outcomes.
The founder of Congress Trading says one example is Congressman Brian Mast. The Florida Republican is one of only 5 members of his party to support a federal bill decriminalizing marijuana. The congressman purchased up to $50,000 of stock in a marijuana-based company before the vote.
But Congress is just kind of the Wild West.
The founder of Congress Trading says when he spots members of Congress making problematic trades, he passes tips to journalists in an effort to expose them, but says that's not the goal of his website.
What I'm doing on the website is more about, can we replicate this trade so our investors can make money?
There are new developments in the Richard Burr case. A federal judge has ordered his brother-in-law to testify in the SEC's investigation into insider trading. In Greensboro, Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.